wanted to show you another place. I'm at the moment at the Bunutan beach, by the way, which is not really popular, but it's like kind of just next beach next to the Gemilot beach. And to be honest, here in this area, let's say starting from there and all the way here, that's the place where is the most beautiful hard corals. I'm kind of happy that no one knows it, because I don't know, it's just good. No one is stepping on the corals, and we usually never go in water from here. If you remember from the episode of where me and Elliot was paddling around this reef, so then we did snorkeling in this area. Like 20 plus or 20 years, I'm not really sure how long time ago it was, but there was a dive center, one of the first dive centers, Mega Dive or something like that. That was the name. Yeah, but now it's abandoned for 20 years already. All right, so what I would like to talk today about is, let's say, I actually call it side effect of our job. Yeah, it is a side effect of our job. So the thing is that we're working with a lot of people. And these people arrive, then we need to spend some time to get closer and to understand them. Then in some point we become really close, we become friends, and then the people leaving, which is normal process, right? Because they are not here forever, they are only for the holidays. And this moment when people leaving, it's kind of, yeah, it is really like a kind of sensitive. I don't know how to call it actually. The one category is the people who become your friends. You communicate with them all the time, and that's the people which you always welcome to see, and you communicate constantly. And then there is another category of the people who just came here and use you as a tool, because as an instructors we are the tools to teach people, and we teach people diving. This category of the people just need your skills to become a divers, and they don't need anything else. They just need to become certified, that's it, right? And it's absolutely okay. So that's why I became instructor, to teach people diving. I didn't become an instructor to become best friend for someone. It just naturally happened. That's another question, but that's the thing. That's the instructor job. All I want to say is that we are changed a lot since we started living in Asia. In the beginning it was like we were away from home, kind of alone, without people with the same culture, and we were so happy to see anyone who arrived and from the same culture. Mostly it's Russians, because we speak Russian language. And that's the culture we understand, because we understand the jokes and other stuff. As long we lived longer in Asia, so we used to adapt for these feelings, and of course now it's a little bit different how we take all this. We miss friends a lot, but you know, in nowadays when there is a social media and we can communicate, that's another question. do we communicate or not, right? So sometimes we're just following what the people doing, but we say no any word or not sending any comment. It's like a kind of, you are surrounded with the friends, they just watching you, but they say nothing. And that's something I'm feeling at the moment. It's like a lot of people who've been here and in Asia and been diving with us, they are at the moment just watching us. And I can understand that, because they have, all of you have same problems as we have. So maybe it's even more serious situation because you have debts and credits and leases and so many different things. But kind of this loneliness, right? So like I'm not feeling lonely. I'm absolutely happy with myself. So I'm super I can be super introvert. I can just stay at home and read the book and not going out for, doesn't matter. I need to go out. That's the thing. I need to move. I cannot just stay in a bed and read the books all day long. I need to take a break. But what I'm trying to say, even you think that everything is okay with the people around you, sometimes it's just good to ask them. Ask them, are they okay? Maybe they want to talk, right? So it's like, don't think it's about me, right? But that's what I'm feeling around at the moment, that many people are a little bit lost and they would like to talk, but they are just shy to talk, to contact someone and ask, not to help, but just a good talk. Okay, people, stay safe. Care about yourself and everybody around you, and don't forget about the close people who maybe haven't been in your life for a really long time, but who left some fingerprint or footprint or whatever print it is in your life. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. See you tomorrow. Bye. I'm sending my best greetings to all of our friends all around the world, and I just want to say we are okay. Thank you very much for following us and caring about us, and I'm absolutely sure really soon we will meet again. See you.